Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate in an asset in Jasper AI. Go into your project list in the tab here to the left. Choose any project that you want that has an asset inside. For this project, this is the asset that I have. It's simply just a collection of information about the recent discoveries of our ocean. Now as you can see, it's awfully tiny in the canvas. And you would have to zoom in and zoom out just to read it, or even just scroll up or down. If you check over here, there's an option to go full screen. Once you click on it, everything will now be in view. And most important of all, you can edit everything inside here, like a document file in your Google Docs. Like giving a heading to a topic, embolden the important parts of it, and delete some parts that are completely unnecessary, and many more. You're free to explore the capabilities you're able to do in an asset. And that's how to navigate an asset in Jasper AI.